Welcome to FINSETIO, your intelligent financial assistant. In today's fast-paced financial world, making informed decisions is harder than ever. You need clarity, personalization, and trust, all in one place. FINSETIO is a multi-agent system powered by cutting-edge AI. It brings together investment advisory, risk analysis according to personalized information and market data, and financial education, tailored just for you. To begin, log into or register the system and accept the terms and conditions. Then, start by discovering your investor profile. Our advisor module asks a few smart questions to understand your goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, FINSETIO adapts the entire experience to your profile. After completing the user risk test, you can proceed to your financial instructor if you are not very familiar with the financial sector. Firstly, simply upload a document. Type your question or ask to summarize and get an instant, clear response. Our education module uses retrieval augmented generation, powered by user-uploaded files, to provide personalized, explainable answers based on your own financial context. You'll also see which agent is working and track token cost in real time. Also, our integrated web search feature helps you learn more by retrieving relevant, up-to-date information from trusted online sources and lets you access the original links directly. Also, if you want to take strong and safe investment advices, you can easily use Financial Advisor and Analyzer chatbot. If you're curious about how the market feels about a company or stock, just ask FINSETIO. It will instantly pull recent news headlines and analyze them using advanced sentiment models and external APIs. The results are clearly grouped as positive, neutral, or negative, and you'll also get a final summary and a confidence score that shows how strong the overall sentiment is. Thanks to real-time data and smart analysis behind the scenes, FINSETIO helps you stay informed about public and market opinion. Finally, you can easily get investment advice based on risk analysis. When a user asks about the investment risk of a particular stock, the system first analyzes their investor profile along with current market data. Then, the chatbot generates insights on sector trends and macroeconomic conditions. These insights are transformed into a visual table and presented to the user. Additionally, the analysis is supported with a chart and compiled into a detailed PDF report. This way, the user receives a personalized and well-explained risk evaluation before making an investment decision. FINSETIO. Build your financial future with confidence.